maintaining a healthy diet can be challenging in today's fast-paced world. However, with proper planning and ingenuity, you can easily nourish your body and keep your energy levels up. One highly effective method is meal prepping. Setting aside a weekly dedicated time to pre-cook your meals saves time, money, and energy while making smarter food choices. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we believe that a busy lifestyle doesn't have to compromise your health. Today's video addresses the needs of busy men striving to maintain a healthy diet despite their jam-packed schedules. Get ready for top 10 healthy meal prep ideas for busy men. Before we move on, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click on the bell, and turn on the notifications so you will not miss the new video upload every week. Idea number 1, overnight oats. Why not give overnight oats a try to kickstart your day? Prepare a batch on Sunday night. You'll have a week's worth of breakfasts sorted. Mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt, your preferred milk, and a drizzle of honey. Then, add your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds for a nutritious breakfast easy to grab and go. Idea number 2, protein-packed wraps. Make your lunch more fulfilling with protein-packed wraps. They're not just scrumptious, but also incredibly convenient for busy days. Fill whole grain tortillas with grilled chicken, lean turkey, or beans, and add plenty of veggies for added flavor and nutrition. Don't forget to top it off with a dollop of hummus. Idea number 3, quinoa and veggie bowls. Learn how to make nutritious quinoa and vegetable bowls that can be tailored to your tastes. Combine quinoa with colorful veggies, roasted sweet potatoes, and lean protein. Finish it with a homemade vinaigrette for a balanced and satisfying meal. Idea number 4, stir-fry staples. Stir-fries are a speedy and adaptable meal option. They're perfect for incorporating an array of vegetables into your diet. To make things easier, cut up your preferred veggies and lean proteins like chicken, beef, or tofu and store them separately. At mealtime, toss them into a hot pan with stir-fry sauce, and you'll have a delectable and wholesome dinner. Idea number 5, mason jar salads. If you're looking for a quick and easy lunch option, try making mason jar salads. Not only are they visually appealing, but they also keep your ingredients fresh until you're ready to eat. To make one, add your dressing at the bottom, then layer on your hearty veggies, proteins, and leafy greens. When it's time to eat, give it a good shake and enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal. Idea number 6, power-packed snack boxes. Boost your day with easy-to-grab snack boxes. Keeping wholesome snacks within reach can assist you in steering clear of less healthy alternatives. Mix various nuts, seeds, whole grain crackers, and fresh fruit together for a well-rounded snack. These boxes are ideal for satisfying your cravings in between meals. Idea number 7, egg muffins. Looking for a convenient and protein-packed breakfast option? Look no further than egg muffins. These bite-sized muffins are perfect for busy mornings. Simply mix eggs with your favorite veggies, pour into muffin tins, and bake until golden. Whip up a batch on the weekend and enjoy them all week long. Trust us, you won't regret it. Idea number 8, roasted veggie trays. Make dinner easier by roasting a range of veggies on a big baking sheet. Roasting brings out the veggies' natural sweetness and makes them incredibly tasty. For flavor, use olive oil, herbs, and spices. Roasted veggies can be used in salads, wraps, or as a side dish. Idea number 9, frozen smoothie packs. If you're in a rush but still want a healthy breakfast, consider making frozen smoothie packs ahead of time. These packs are perfect for busy mornings and can be made with your favorite fruits, greens, and a scoop of protein powder. Simply blend the ingredients together, portion them into freezer bags, and when you're ready to enjoy, add some liquid and blend again. It's a convenient and nourishing option to start your day right. Idea number 10, one-pot meals. Streamline your dinner routine with the ease of one-pot meals. These meals not only provide convenience but also offer a harmonious blend of essential nutrients. Opt for recipes that integrate protein, grains, and vegetables in one pot or pan, allowing for less cleanup and more savory satisfaction. Incorporating these 10 meal prep ideas into your routine can help you maintain a healthy diet, even when busy. Thanks for joining us for the top 10 healthy meal prep ideas for busy men. Keep in mind that a little planning can go a long way in achieving your health and fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, even when life gets busy.